if you want to change caps lock key to shift or vice versa, or for example if you want to change right shift key to control, there is an easy way to do this in KDE. So I will show you this. We open system settings, and here we come to keyboard, and in keyboard we say key bindings. So all of the options you are looking for are here. For example, what I did was I said make caps lock an additional escape. So what this do is it doesn't change anything about escape key, but caps lock key behaves as an escape. For example, if I chose this option, make caps lock an additional super, it would do caps lock. I mean, super key wouldn't change, but caps lock would be the second super key. And if you said swap escape and caps lock, escape key would behave as caps lock and caps lock would behave as escape. There are a lot of options here too, so if you want to do something different, you can take a look at these and choose the suitable one for you.